All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. This is your first time tuning into this channel. My name's Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm here on the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15, right off of Silverado Ranch and the 15. Now today we're going to be exploring D.R. Horton. Now they have different series. This is the Express homes. Basically what this means is what you see is what you get. Now we do have Spectrum Bay, so this is about 1,700 to about 1,900 square feet, 3 different floor plans here. Then if we drove down the road, we have Spectrum Falls. They're going to be more of a bigger floor plan, about like 3,800 square feet. Then we also have Spectrum Trails. This is a brand new community that's coming up right next door to that. These are going to be townhomes that are about 1,500 square feet, 3 bedrooms with a 2-car garage. Today we're going to be focusing on these 2 right here. Now, like I said, this community right here, Spectrum Bay, has a total of 3 different floor plans. Right, you got the 1715 model, you have the 1795 model, then the 1865. The 1865 is the biggest model. So this is the one that we're going to be taking a look at today. As you can see, this is a 2-car garage. Now this one's going to be a little bit more unique with this home build. What I mean by this is you're not going to be able to spec out the home. When I say spec out the home, pick out the options. They have just standard options, typically 2 different color cabinets, 2 countertops, right, that they have. They'll pick it for you. And you don't go under contract just yet. They wait until it's almost about 3 months to build. And basically what happens is if you have a interest in the 1865, you get on their list by getting approved through their lenders. They are giving out incentives. Those incentives may change, but right now I was told it was about $10,000, which is not bad. You could possibly use that towards your closing costs. Other builders are giving a little bit better incentives. However, what you get for the home, for me, this is a starter home, right? Everything's kind of all stock and standard apartment grade. However, it's really good for the price. So keep in mind the pricing. How they do it is you have the standard price. You don't pay for the upgrades and options because it already comes with it, but then you pay for the lot premiums. They have about 150 lots left. As you can see, it comes with some nice gray pavers here. This is the side of the house. Let's go take a look. What does it come with? So on this side we have the power box, full utilities here, the gas line. We also have the water valve too and the power box. All right, let's go inside. Let's see what we have. So as you notice, the door is tucked back a little bit. It's not really up front, but it's facing front here. This is a size lot or side lot. We have a 6'8" on the door. So as I come in, right off to the right hand side, we have some closet space, and then we have our smart panel box. Okay, not bad. Now if you take a look at the casings around the door, these are just your standard casings. Then we have orange peel texture, 1/2" on the bull nose here, which is nice. I prefer a 1/2" versus that 1" bull nose. Now as far as the flooring here, okay, you have some laminate flooring. However, they're going to pick the laminate flooring for you on the first floor. So it's just something to keep in mind. Now the price that I'm giving you right now is just the price that they are offering. So you're going to be paying a premium lot. Some of the homes you pay just a little bit more, a little bit less, just depending on what they pick for you at that time. HOAs on here. Let me take a look at my cheat sheet here. So the HOAs are $32 a month, which is really good. Now the bump side about this, on this model, there's really not a backyard. However, there are some lots that go for about $5,000. You get a bigger backyard. Now, like the feature wall and the furnitures and stuff like that is not included. We do have 9-foot ceilings. You do have the LED lights, which is really nice. And then all this nice artwork on the wall, that's not going to be included. But you do have full overlay cabinets here. These are the white shaker cabinets, which is pretty nice. You take a look at the island. This island right here is about 6 by 5. Now we do have like a 1/2", okay? This is a hard surface countertop. This is a man-made product, so it is not a natural stone. Then we have our standard 3 inches on the baseboards here, as you can see. Now they also did the corner round around the toe kick, which is really nice. Then we have our undermounted sink. Then we have our water filtration. One thing we got to do is check, is this an RO system? All right. and unfortunately it is not connected. So that's something I would check to see if it comes with it. Okay, here we have the Whirlpool appliances. This is the packaged appliances. The only thing that doesn't come with it is the refrigerator. You can get that after. That is definitely a upgrade. The cabinets here, these are only 36 inch cabinets, 24 on the depth, actually 12 then 24 on the depth here as well. Does come with some nice hand pulls, which is really nice. But the two different colors that you get is going to be this color or the gray color. Now the next thing we got to take a look at, does it exhaust out? On this one, it exhausts out, really nice. Some builders like Richmond American Homes, they would charge you nickel and diming. It is what it is, okay? Here we do have our cable outlet Smurf tube here, which is really nice. Now the distribute sounds, that does not come with it. Here's your thermostat alarm, additional upgrade. Doorbell right here. Coming over here, what do we have? We have our closet, actually our pantry, which is really nice. Looks like it goes pretty deep, so we're gonna come back all the way around here, see what we got. Wow, definitely decent size, that's for sure. We got the 2-panel doors. These are not solid doors. Coming into the half bath. As you can see, this is a Western bath. It's, toilet. It's not that large or not that tall. Sink is a little bit low too as well. So these are just kind of like, your lower grade. I wanted to get in here because I want to see if it comes with a tankless water heater. That I'm not too sure. Let's make our way upstairs. Pretty wide though on the staircase, which is really nice. So as we come up, we do have a nice little loft area. 2 bedrooms down this way. In the back of me, we have the primary. So we have a second thermostat here. Our attic access is right above. Then our filter. There's 2 20 by 20s here. Oh, there's 3 bedrooms. Wow, this is pretty tight. Now these are pretty small bedrooms here. I'm going to say these are the standard 10 by 10s. You do have the transfer grill here. 8-foot ceilings. Coming into the, second bedroom. So it's pretty much exactly the same thing. You do get 1 light above here. But then you have a 2 rocker switch here. One is for your half hot. Let's see if we got a half hot here. Okay. So on this one, the way that they designed this one, you don't get a half hot. So basically this allows you to hang a ceiling fan, which is really nice. Typically you just get a half hot because that's how they cut the cost. And builders will charge you an upgrade just for that pre-wire here and for the second rocker switch. If you guys don't know anything about this new rocker switch, I think this is very innovative and this is a new design. I'm gonna see if I can pop this off for you guys. Okay. Don't worry, I didn't break it. The reason why I popped this off is because if you want to put a dimmer switch, you pull this out right here, okay? Then once you pull this out, okay, this should be able to, what the hell? Let me put this back in here. This should be able to slide out. Guys, I know how to do this. I do it all the time. Okay. Pull out. Then you squeeze. Okay, here you go. Just have to squeeze it. Then this just slides out like this. Okay. Reason why they do it like this is because, like, if you are not an electrician and you can actually change these out for dimmers, and it just charges you a little bit more money, so you can go buy these at like Lowe's and Home Depot. So I slide these back in just like this, right? Okay. And I'm doing this with one hand, guys. That's to lock it in. See that light turns on and off? See that? See that? Very simple. Then you just take your cover plate, so that way you don't have to hire an electrician. Look at that, done. So this room is going to be exactly the same thing. Not bad. So let's take a look at the bathroom. What does the bathroom have to offer? So we have laminate flooring here. Tub shower combo. I do like this aqua tub here. Now this is a fiberglass all one piece. It is a square tub with the subway tile. Not bad. However, we do have a toilet here. The only thing that's a downfall is, number one, you don't have two sinks, you only have one. However, if you have two sinks for this size, you do lose counter space, and also somebody uses the bathroom, especially if you have 3 bedrooms. This is not enough to supply a household. Now you got 3 kids waiting on each other to get ready for school. That is the only downfall here. Coming over here, we have our loft area, which is pretty cool, decent size. However, you're probably gonna only be able to put a small little couch and sit down and chill, so everything's gonna be very tight. Let's take a look at the laundry room. What do we have for the laundry room? Okay, so we have the transition, nice transition curb here, which is cool. And then we have our drain pan. This is a gas dryer, okay? Then we have additional storage space here. I'll have to take this call here in just a second. 3 rocker switch. So as we come into the main primary, we have a king size bed. The nightstands are 3 feet wide on each side. We have additional 2 feet here, so it is a pretty wide, large primary, that's for sure. Only thing, you have one pre-wire for the ceiling fan or also this light. The problem is that this is not enough to illuminate this room as large as it is. Okay. Now let's go take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom, we have 2 sinks, Pkwy, okay, white shaker cabinets, again full overlays with some hardware. 2 sinks, cast iron, as you can see. We have a full mirror here. Then we have our shower. Okay, let's take a look at our closet. Closet's a pretty decent size. I mean, it's okay. Take a look at that fiberglass shower again. A lot of you guys like to have a tub. I don't know, let me know. And then we have our toilet. Now you're probably seeing that thing just coming down the screen because there's a lot of electronics coming through this house. And the computer, or actually the processor on this camera, is picking it up, so I don't know, let me know what you guys think so far about this house. I mean, it's not bad for the price, believe it or not. The downfall is that the list on here is so damn deep. By the time that your name gets called, you know, it could be like 6 to 8 months out, and the pricing is going to change. This builder is one of the smartest builders to do that. The reason why is because so that way they're not locking you into the price. They can build a lot faster by pulling the permits. And then what happens is when it comes time to sell, they give you about 3 months, and that's how long it takes to close. What happens is by then, now they can charge you more money versus charging you less money in the beginning stages of the build, which is very smart on their behalf. All right, guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you don't have a real estate agent, there's no cost to hire us whatsoever. Don't forget to comment, like, and also share this videos with your friends and family. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.